Yo, you guys, so today we have this body hair groomer which I want to have a look at, and I will take you along on this trip. So let's open this package up and see what's actually in here. So, why we do that, it's a kind of cheaper um, body trimmer, groomer, then that's why I definitely wanted to check it out. And I have high hopes because I don't think I haven't found the one I'm liking so far. So, okay, this is interesting. We got a little nice case for the device. There's some different extra goodies which we can use. Yeah, to make the video short though, let's just hop into the groomer itself. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty straightforward, just one power button and the blade on top. And I would say we just turn that on. Okay, there's a little flashlight here. It's pretty nice and handy, so you can actually see what you're working on. And I would say we're just gonna trim some of my arm hair here. Let's see if the camera actually shows that. Focus, come on. And I guess you can see my hair. It's kind of blonde-ish, but still. Yep, so it goes over pretty smoothly. It doesn't hurt or anything. Um, this way it works as well. It's quite cool. But yeah, it definitely is doing a good job. We got a pretty smooth spot here. I can definitely tell where we got rid of the hair, and you can see that as well in the middle here. There's no hair left on the outsides. There's some hair. So yeah, this is not bad at all. So especially for the price, it has a good handling. And I would say that's it for today.